If you want the best workouts possible and recovery afterward, stay tuned in the gym to get in the best shape of your life. So we'll go over 3 times, first before, then during, finally after. Stay ready and take notes. So what should you eat before the workout? First thing, well, let's make sure you realize you need to keep your energy levels steady through the workout and get a steady rise in insulin, which due to several factors helps an inhibition of muscle protein breakdown. So I like to go 30 to 90 minutes before when you eat. Depends on the timing though, because if you have something really heavy, 30 minutes before you feel real bogged down. But like if you have that same heavy stick 90 minutes before, it'll be better and help you crush your workout. So what would I suggest that I do personally for my pre-workout meal? The pre-workout meal should be smaller, so like 20 to 30 grams protein, 20 to 30 grams carbs, or if you want to even go a little higher on carbs, like 40 to 50 or between that 30 to 40, that's fine, just to have that energy and steady insulin release while you train and prevent muscle protein breakdown. I'll link some research studies on this stuff down below, but I, for one, think you should go with low glycemic index carbs before training to slowly raise that insulin level and get the nutrients into the muscles during your workout. If nothing else, stay hydrated. Between 6 and 12 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes. You're exercising over the past 20 years or so, and nutrition, specifically sports nutrition, research has come a long way. We used to think that water was good enough, but now we know that indoor workout nutrition like amino acids and electrolytes can help you recover better. If you take amino acids pre-workout, it achieves similar results, but if you don't get them in pre-workout, indoor workout works as well. Then after you want to replenish your muscle glycogen as fast as possible. So high glycemic or quick acting carbs. I'm putting a link to some of my favorites down below in the description to get your pre-workout in on the essentials for that, your intro workout, and even your post workout. Check them out